Are you ready to take your laundry business to the next level? To maximize guest satisfaction and reduce your operational costs? Do you have true insight into your operational costs? Labor, linen replacement, energy, water, chemicals. Do you know what and how to improve your laundry operation? Imagine that you had a system that provided you with instant insight into your operational costs and potential savings. Imagine you had a system that gave you performance reports, allowed you to set targets, displayed results from previous years and your other sites. Then you could take corrective action where needed. Imagine your staff could rest assured that industry experts were watching over your operations. A system that provided you peace of mind. Diversey Care introduces the next level of laundry management, IntelliLinen. So, how does IntelliLinen work? It starts simply by installing an intelligent dispenser with Wi-Fi that seamlessly connects your mobile device. You can easily access your data on all your devices by using a wireless network or the cloud. Anytime, anywhere. When connected to the cloud, the system allows customized trend reporting on multiple machines and sites and instantly alerts you to any issues so you can prevent any disruption to your operations. And if needed, our experts can take corrective action remotely, and you can rest assured all your data is secure and protected. IntelliLinen helps you to simplify data collection, use machines and resources more efficiently, ensure trouble-free operations, improve your sustainable footprint, and enables you to lower your operational costs. Start looking at your business differently and make your business ready for the future. IntelliLinen, the next level of laundry management.